This is an overview of the Connect menu. Before we begin, if you want to expand the left side vertical menu, just click on the double arrow icon at the bottom. Here we see that the landing page is the Connect services. Services are the containers for all your workflow for all your digital channels. You can create and arrange the services in any way you wish them to be ordered on the page. To create a new service, click on the Create New Service button in the top right corner of the page and give it a name that best represents the service. Once done, you're presented with the service dashboard. Here you'll find some preliminary data about a variety of aspects of the service, things like the historical traffic counts and percentages for all the channels that you've configured for this specific service, JSON Web Token information for multi-channel REST APIs, flow templates and transaction counts, and messaging API requests and responses. If you select the Flow button from the horizontal menu at the top of the page, you can create a new flow. Or if you have flows already created, you can manage them here. When you create a new flow using the Create Flow button, a pop-up screen provides the input fields for the name of the new flow, the type of flow you wish to build, which includes options for a new flow, an upload of a flow, and copy from an existing flow. In this example, if we select a new flow, we need to classify the flow by using one of the options presented below. Either a start from scratch flow or parcel alert, webhook to SMS alert, SMS survey, chatbot, autoresponder, or appointment reminders. Let's pick a start from scratch flow and click Create. You'll see a new page that requires you to select the trigger category. This means specific channel events need to be detected in order for the flow to execute. Channels include SMS, Messenger, WhatsApp, mobile and web API, email, and Apple Messages for Business. Let's see what options are available when we click on SMS. For SMS, there's a configuration and optional transitions and data stream configurations. For configuration, you need to select an event that'll trigger the flow. Your choices are mobile originated or on link click. For both options, you can see that a definition of the event is provided for you. In this example, I'll select mobile originated. We see that the page dynamically changes to allow for further configuration of the event, where the incoming number is specified an option for a keyword to validate the SMS. You also have reference to input, output, custom variables that can be created for this node, and node outcomes. If we click on the transition actions for this node, we can configure it for actions on leave. Notice that you can configure more than one action for the node. Here you can set things like setting variables in their respective values, log flow variables or values to debug log. Keep in mind that these tasks are all components of building a flow. The flows are object-oriented and in draft status unpublished until you're ready to publish and validate their functionality by running the Analyze Flow function. The Rules button allows an administrator to create and manage rules that will automatically trigger your flow. The API button allows you to copy the service ID and service secret for an authentication type. Authentication types include service key and JWT token, also called a JSON Web Token. You can use this for API integration between third-party applications and your workflows.